thinking, man, you still building that motor or what, bro? Well, believe it or not, I still am. Now, it's only taken me about 5 or 6 years or whatever. I'm basically like the ghetto broke Rob Don of this here thing. So, what we gonna do today is put in the cam. Now, there are better ways to put in the cam and different men to ask, and you probably should. But if you here, oh well, you about to watch me slap this thing in and lube it up, and it's gonna be a lot of that. I'm just telling you right now, it's gonna be a lot of that. You can see the parts right here behind me. I got my assembly lube with all the chemicals in it. Like, get clear. Yeah, contains moly and zinc and stuff like that. I got a roller, double roller cam. Don't worry about any of this stuff over here. Yes, that is for all you Volvo nuts. If you're watching me build, like, yeah, there you go. There's a whole pile of Volvo turbo goodness sitting right there on the table. We're going to get to that, but that ain't what that's about. The first thing I'm going to do is put those Panhard bar and torque rods and all that, but that's not what this is about. This is about throwing that cam into the 351's block so then I can get an oil pump. I've already made a tool to prime the kit, so yeah, that's what we doing. But yeah, like I said, ignore all of this. Don't worry about that. Don't. Turbo cam, yes. Tiniest turbo ever. Don't worry about it. Intercooler outside, yes. Mass airflow sensor, don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Let's get out to the building and slap this cam. I'm feeling high.